everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new and viewing for the first time, welcome. We would love to have you as part of the Elegance family. We would love it if you would hit that subscribe button to your right and make sure to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified every time we post a new video. Today we are bringing you another video surrounding a girl's baby shower. For those having a boy, this week we will be doing a boy's baby shower. But today we are showing you how to put together a beautiful, elegant centerpiece along with some more great ideals. So if this is a project you think you may be interested in making, just continue to keep watching. For time's sake, we decided to spray paint the clay pot off camera. And now what we're doing is we are putting a premium flat white over it, and you can purchase it at Home Depot. If you choose not to put a spray paint it, then that's perfectly fine. That part is optional. You don't have to do it. We just chose to do it because it just gives it more of that polished look. So we spray painted it, and then now we are painting over the spray paint, and it just gives it more of a polished look. All materials that are used in this DIY today will be listed in the description bar below this video. And if you have any questions regarding this DIY, just list it in the comment bar below and we will answer it as best as we can. Just so you'll know, if you don't spray paint the clay pot, if you decide not to do that, then you are going to need 2 to 3 coats of the paint. We also spray painted the Giraffe, and also we have another clay pot we did as well. Now these are just the industrial sticks that they use to open the paint, and they come in 4s, and we purchased those for 99 cents. So they're at Home Depot. So what we're doing is just painting all the objects that we are going to need for this centerpiece. So right now that's what we're doing. We're painting the stick, and we will be doing some lettering as well. I know the parts can get pretty lengthy, but we do not like to cut out parts just in case there's someone that wanted to see it from point A to point B. You're more than welcome though to fast forward if the part is too lengthy. As you can see, we are just painting up the little letters that we are going to be needing for our centerpiece. So that's what we're doing right now. We're painting up all the items that we will be using in the centerpiece. Now we have all our items that we need for the centerpiece painted. So now what we're doing is putting the ribbon around the stick, and we will begin to now put the centerpiece together. When you place your stick in your styrofoam, there's no right or wrong way to position your stick. You can position your stick how you desire to do so. We are placing ours more towards the back because we have the two signs that we want to stand out. So you can do it whichever way you choose to do it. It's totally up to you. On this part, you can create whatever you desire. You can create it, you can say welcome baby, you can say baby shower, whatever way you decide to design it or word it is totally up to you. Just be creative and have fun with it. What we're doing is we're just cleaning the teddy bear up around the eye area. Sometime in the stores they look a little raggedy, so you can actually take them home and kind of clean them up, and they just look so nice and polished when you're done trimming the face. So these are the round wood signs that we purchased from the Hobby Lobby, and all we did was painted the wooden sign a pink color. So that's an ideal you can do when you see these little signs. You can, they're like little tags you can use on teddy bears in baby showers. They make really cute ideals. We wanted to give the teddy bear a pop of color, so what we did was used a silver letter. So now we are positioning the teddy bear into the clay pot. And on this part, you can become very creative. So just kind of create what type of position you like for your teddy bear. This part is optional. You can use any type of candy of your choice inside of your flower pot. We just chose soft suckers. We are creating a rose ball for the top of the centerpiece, and we will put all paper roses onto the styrofoam until it's all complete. You can purchase the paper roses at Michael's. They come 2 in a pack for $1. Now on to the smaller clay pot. We are using paper roses. You can get them at Michael's, 2 in a pack for $1. And we are making a clay pot, and we're just arranging another little small ideal. That sits on the main table next to the centerpiece. decided after we put the rose ball on the stick and put it into the clay pot that we wanted to add the string, so that's what we did. So do yours before, it just makes it a lot easier. The bow is optional. We decided we wanted to use a bow around our rose ball. It looks very baby shower, and it just looks very soft. Now we are making the little candy dish. So we're just using a baby styrofoam, and we're just putting like the little suckers into the styrofoam. And we are going to add a cute little bow, and there is another cute simple DIY for a baby shower. So this does complete our tutorial for today. And if you like this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so at this time so you can receive all notifications every time we post a new video. Until next time, may God bless you and keep you, and we will see you on our next video. Bye.